Hi, this is Ronipati. Today I will be talking about why India is an attractive market and why companies located across the globe have to take a note about the country and set up their shops in the country. India has been growing at healthy rate for the past many years, except for few quarters which were bad for the country. But it is also expected that the country will do really well in the coming years as well. And the government of India has taken the target of 5 trillion US dollar economy by 2025 very seriously, and it is working towards achieving the numbers. Today I will talk about 5 main reasons why companies have to set up their businesses in the country. The first and foremost important thing is the huge market it consists of. India is a huge country. It is the second most populous country in the world with a population of 1.3 billion population, and the per capita income of the country is also very low when you compare with developed nations like China, Germany, France, US, all these countries. And as and when our economy keeps growing, there will be requirement or demand for many products and services across the sectors. The second important reason why companies have to look at India is the low manufacturing costs. India has the lowest manufacturing costs in the world after Indonesia. So this allows many major companies to set up their manufacturing business in the country and export the products and services across the globe at very competitive prices. And the third important factor is the demographic advantage. India has the young population. The average age of the population is around 29 years, which is very good for a large country like India when compared to other countries in the globe. That means there will be a lot of energy or workforce available for the companies to utilize and leverage their businesses. The fourth important reason is the ease of doing business. Now government of India has been working on various reforms to improve the business situation in the country. India has improved the World Bank ratings on ease of doing business drastically from somewhere around 141 position to 63 position in 2019. That gives a lot of leeway for companies to consider India as their manufacturing hub. The last and the final reason why companies have to look at India is that now the government has the target of 5 trillion US dollar economy. So to achieve that number, we need to develop various aspects in the country, right? From the skill sets of the people, as well as the infrastructure, the ease of doing business, and multiple reforms all across the businesses. So government of India has launched many programs that will help achieve 5 trillion US dollar economy, and companies can effectively take part of this great initiatives of the government and be successful in their businesses. That's it for today. I hope that you will take note of all these reasons and set up your businesses in India as soon as possible. And if you have any queries, do let me know. I will keep posting videos on requested videos in the future as well. Thank you. Sign off.